Okay, today we are heading to the pet ranch. Pet ranch is the local veterinarian here, one of the local veterinarians here in Alaminos City. Jam has got to get a vaccination for her kennel cough. For her kennel cough slash pneumonia. She doesn't act sick. That's the weird thing. She's got full of energy and full of life, but she's actually somewhat ill. So we're doing a series of vaccinations for her, like a 5-visit vaccination, hoping, praying that she can kick this, because every time she eats she coughs and she throws up phlegm, white bubbles and whatnot. So anyhow, we're trying to get her fixed so she can be healthy again.
Hi sir, welcome to my vlog.
Hey, how are you doing? Hey, it's Larkin.
What's the name of your channel?
It is. It's kind of a long one, actually. It's Gunny and the Chef.
Shout out me. Shout out.
Philippines home front. So
Philippines lang malakas.
yeah, if you look on YouTube, you'll see us. You'll see us. We're there. And guess what? You're going to be on the video now. So
Hey, sir.
hey, how's it going? You will be there. So yeah, go to YouTube and check it out. You'll see yourself saying, "Hi, how's it going?"
Johnny and the chef.
Kami po?
G-U-N-N-Y. Like a gun?
Bang bang.
Yeah. Gunny and the Chef. Look us up.
Hey sir, bye sir.
Yeah, all right, be good. They're back there trying to put together what I just said. So I want to see Gunny and the Chef. Let's see if we can figure this one out here. They're really nice kids. We talk to them every time we come through here. Good kids. It is a gorgeous day, but it's the sun's coming down pretty good. Yep. Oh, sneeze. So right now we're just walking a back road. It's kind of just set behind the main drag in the neighborhood, kind of where we live. So we'll be at the vet here in about 5 minutes, maybe. Okay. So yeah, this is the neighborhood. There's a goat over there. Goats. Okay, we're back. Had to take a short break, or so the dog could do her thing. So yeah, I guess since the outbreak of COVID, all the jeepneys are parked down through here on the side street, not out in front of CSI where they usually are parked. They're usually parked right alongside the main drag there, so but now they're back here. Which I think is actually kind of nicer. I think it's kind of nicer that they're back here.
They are back here
Since the outbreak, right? Yeah. I think it's kind of nicer though. It's a little shadier. It's not right out in the sun, direct sun. Oh, busy day today. Yeah. So, let's cross. We got a busy one today. A lot of people out. Now here's my favorite building again. Alright. We gotta be careful through here. Yeah. Jam, come on, girl. Gotta fight your way across these streets. Are they even open? Doesn't look like it. Anyways, here's the Pet Ranch Clinic. This is where we now bring the dog for her veterinarian needs. So hopefully we can get things done today. We'll have to see. Anyways, they do good work here. It's a good clinic. We like it. As you can see, animal clinic and grooming center. Services offered: grooming services, pet supplies, pet accessories, surgery, vaccination, consultation, boarding. And there's the contact number. And they are reasonably priced, and they very knowledgeable and professional. All right. Okay. Well, the veterinarian clinic portion of this is, of the Pet Ranch Clinic is closed. They're out doing a supply run, but the store is open, as you see. And okay, well, I guess we'll continue on with the rest of our day. Eden's taking a trike back to the house to drop Jam off, and then I'm gonna meet her over at the CSI. So I'm going to take a walk over to the store. Thanks. And meet her over there. Because obviously we're not going to be bringing the dog into the store. Hi! Okay, anyways, I'm gonna... Kind of basically coming back out the way we came in. Busy out today. Lots and lots of people. Making some buko juice. It's nice to see the vendors out in force today. A place where we make copies. X-ray. We have a lot of these copy machine shops where they bring what you need to have copied and they'll copy it for you. So I haven't really had a need to buy a copier, printer rather, a printer scanner or any of that, because these guys, they'll do it for you for damn near nothing. A few pesos. So it works out really nice. Tell you what, that's one thing I've noticed about over here is that they have a service for just about anything you can think of. It's definitely a service in it's definitely a service industry focused, it's definitely service industry focused here. That's where I say the bulk of the revenue comes from here in the Philippines. Ay, ay, ay. Get through this mess. So anyways, I'm coming here to wait for the wife while she runs the dog to the house. So alright, I usually hang out here in front of the Shakey's and keep my eyes peeled for her. We do this quite a bit. We'll have a bunch of groceries, a bunch of bags, or in this case the dog, and we live so close to downtown that oftentimes she'll take and jump in a tricycle and she'll just run everything home, drop it off, and then meet me back here. So we shall wait. As you can see, a bunch of people standing around going inside the store. So anyways, standing here in front of Shakey's. we'll just kind of hang out here for a few minutes and then go inside. She's got to pick up a few things inside the store, and I got a little boy that's coming over here holding his hand out wanting some pesos, so I'm gonna send him packing here in a second. But other than that, thanks a lot for hanging in there with me on this video, and we'll do it again sometime here real soon. Until then, take care of yourselves and have a nice day. Bye bye.